G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Today it's episode 3, Flashback. It's all about bonito today. Sit back and enjoy this great little clip. Some old footage, but some great footage. Now guys, if you haven't tuned into our channel before, please click the link above to subscribe and join in the fun weekly.
So what we normally do, just behind the ear, just cut straight down to the spine, okay, and then work at the back into the spine. That's it. Turn it around. Just cut into the stomach cavity. Just repeat the process. Turn it back around. As you can see, just over the rib bones, rib cage, and cut it straight down. So here we've got the bloodline, also the bone line. All you do is cut on either sides. Nice and clean. Yeah, sensational burley or bait. We've got a couple of rib bones here. Now, Scotty, we have our two beautiful loins, you know, all skinned. You don't have to remove that, you know, that's a delicacy. And typically with sashimi cuts, there's two ways of cutting it. You can either do the draw cut on, you know, particularly used on softer flesh, oil fish like your tunas, your bonitos, etc. Even the kingfish, very soft flesh. And then you got then you'll have your reef species where when the flesh is tougher, you'll need to cut them at an angle, paper thin, just so it cuts through the muscle fibers, just short as the muscle fibers, just like it does on steak, you know. So basically, we'll do the two cuts. All you do is put your index finger on top, okay. Line up the heel on the fish. Now the weight of the fish, I'm not pressing, there's no pressure. Now all I'm going to do is just draw the cut towards me. Okay? That's it. You just want a nice clean sheen on the flesh. Just a single action. Now the next cut, just to demonstrate, I'll just cut it at angles, nice and thin, and all you do is just keep your fingers curved, okay, and again, the heel, there you go. For our fin cuts.
Nice nice presentation. Like you said, the Japanese eat with their eyes.
Mate, it's all about presentation. It's basically art on a plate, you know.
Yeah.
Now we'll just we've got our lovely soy sauce here.
Soy sauce, a bit of wasabi I can see. I love my wasabi.
Oh yeah, you've got to have wasabi.
Looks pretty good, Frank.
That's fresh.
Very good. All right, we've got both boys on now. Claude's got one on. Jackson's over there working away on a good fish. What do you reckon, Jackson?
Yeah, maybe a king.
Are you thinking of kingy this time? You sure about that? Come into the corner, Jackson. Walk across. That's a boy. Keep going, Claudie. Claude's going well down here. Here comes 6 feet. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, lean out a bit. Oh, away he goes.
This is a stronger one.
Right. Big fish, Claude?
Yeah.
Wait for him up. There he is in the net. There's Claude's fish.
Look at that.
Righto, lean down and get this one as well.
All right.
Another
Okay, here comes 2. We're going to get 2 in the net.
Keep going.
Wait for him right on top. Righto, here he comes. Lovely bonito to get caught. Now, we've had that positioned in water with a block of ice, so he's nice and cold and firm, which is really important when you catch fish, okay? So I'm going to turn him over, take my knife and start at the vent and just move forward. Now, the good thing about bonito, if you can have a look there, it's got a line that runs right along the body. And the knife, you just follow that line all the way along, up between the 2 fins, and then cut forward. Simple. We're going to open him up. I'm going to go to the gill area first. I'm going to cut through there with the knife. Once you've done that, that's pretty much all you need your knife for. And then we're just going to grab the gills out and then move our fingers back like so. Take the gut out pretty much in one go. Alright, toss that over the side. And the most important thing with bonito is to see that line there, that's the blood trapped under that membrane. So we want to drop the knife in and cut and just run the knife down there like that and scratch that out. Alright boys, I've given it a good rinse. As you can see, nice and clear in there and clean. Okay, I'm going to show you how to fillet it now, alright? So what you need for filleting is a long soft knife. Alright, nice and sharp, is very important. Now what I do with bonito is I come under that fin there and just cut forward. They fillet very easy. Now you're cutting towards the head. Drop the knife down till I feel the bone. I can feel the bone there and roll. And then just slowly work your way down along the back of the fish, keeping the knife down against the backbone. Keep your hand out of the way and just come all the way through. All right, so there you go, beautiful fillet. Still a little bit of blood in there, even though we've bled this fish, but that'll be fine. Flip him over, do exactly the same. Come under that fin, come down, and then just roll that knife just till you feel the backbone and work your way all the way down, okay, and out the back of the fish. Like that. 2 beautiful fillets. Now that can be used at your crab pots if you want to, or for burley later on, but today we're just going to throw him back in the water, okay? Just take a piece of aluminium foil, like so. We'll just lay our fillets on the foil. A splash of olive oil, not too much, just a little bit. On both fillets. And then what I do is just use my fingers. Yeah, you can use a little brush if you want to, but I just find my fingers just nice and quick and easy. And just a light coat, so the fillet's got a little bit of oil on it. Like so, just to get the cooking process started. And then we just simply put a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit to season it, and pepper, the same. I'm going to pop them straight in the oven Like I said, 5 to 7 minutes. Set at 180 degrees and lunch will be served. Well, how good do they look? Bonito fillets done under the grill. My lunch is served. Well, there you have it, guys. Bonito, a fantastic little Aussie sports fish. Great fun and great to eat. Now, guys, if you haven't tuned into our channel before, please click the link above to subscribe and join in the fun weekly. And guys, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we'll see you guys on the water next week somewhere. Cheers.